So guys, kuha na gyud ang muhas. Thanks to Igor. 35 meters. Oh my God. Without him, I couldn't retrieve the shaft. Woo! And also the fish is still there, but eaten by I don't know what kind of animals.
Crab.
Maybe crab.
Crab should be a fish.
And we catch some giant Toblerone today. Okay, here is the big eye trevally that I catch yesterday, and I cut the line because of its depth. 35 meters. Imagine 35 meters. Oh my God, I can't retrieve it. If I force it, something will happen, and then that's the thing. You don't need to push. If you cannot, don't push. See, it's eaten already by the other fish or the other animals.
Eel, maybe more.
Maybe more eel, right?
Yeah, eel.
And then this one, I don't think it can be eaten by human being or feed it into the like dogs. And then this is the fish that we catch today. Toblerone, 3 Toblerone. We clean it already. Take all the good intestine. Good intestine. Yeah, clean it already, and it's good to go. Grilled. Hope we can catch more this afternoon, but the weather is a little bit rough but sunny and a little bit windy. Hopefully guys, we got something good fish today, this afternoon, and we need to rest a little bit because a little bit tired, going deep. And yesterday we've been spear fishing though. That's how I lost the shaft, and we got retrieve it. And yeah, I'm so lucky. I'm so thankful that Igor helped me to retrieve this shaft because it's too expensive. My God, you know, the shaft cost, Salvimar shaft cost like 4,000 more, and shipping today. And it's like you're throwing away 4,000 pesos. Yeah, it's a big money. And that's all for today. Dive safe all, and God bless. Adios, Aquagan.